Take a look at this.
What? My phone's offline. How is this map even loading? Why does this feel like a terrible idea? If this is a bug, it's the coolest one I've ever seen. And now the watch is acting up too. Great. What is that?
Now imagine this. What if I told you the entire video you're looking at right now was created from just one single image? Yep, no subscriptions, no sneaky trials, no hidden charges waiting to hit your credit card. Totally free, and you can do it every single day. Wild, right? But hold up. If you love AI tools that save you hours and help you make more money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button for JACKY AI Flow. And seriously, don't skip this video. One tiny missed step can break your whole animation workflow. All right, let's rewind and walk through everything from the beginning. Today, I'm breaking down the full process, step by step, exactly how I'd show a close friend sitting right next to me, watching my screen. The very first thing I needed was a story. And instead of sitting there staring at a blank screen like most of my Monday mornings, I asked ChatGPT for inspiration. It gave me a bunch of ideas, but one really stood out. The Forgotten Village. A village appears on no map, and no one can remember how they arrived. Creepy. Atmospheric. Perfect for this kind of AI video. To turn that tiny concept into an actual storyline, I used a detailed prompt. I'll drop my version in the description so you can copy it. And from that one prompt, ChatGPT generated 4 main images, 4 short videos for each item. Different scenes, different environments, but the same character. But here's the problem. If you don't handle the next step correctly, your character's face will change between clips. And trust me, it looks incredibly weird. So let's make sure this part is done right. ChatGPT gave me 4 base images, but now we're going to recreate them manually so they look cleaner and stay consistent. If you're following along on your computer, slow down here, this part is important. Open your browser, search for Meta AI, and sign in. Meta's image generator is insanely good, sharp, cinematic, realistic, and best of all, totally unlimited. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar. Click Create. Choose Image. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. This will save you headaches later when you edit your video. Now paste your first image prompt from ChatGPT. Give it a few seconds. And boom, gorgeous, cinematic portraits. But here's the issue. We need the same face across all 4 images. And Meta AI can be a little unpredictable. Choose the image with the face you want. Download it. Upload it back in as a reference image, then paste your second prompt. Now Meta locks onto that face and stays consistent. Repeat this for all 4 images and download them. Clean, consistent, ready for animation. Next, we move into Grok AI. And if you're new to Grok, here's what you should know. The daily video limit resets roughly every 24 hours. Most people see the reset around midnight. Free users get anywhere from 5 to 30 generations per day. So don't freak out if one day feels lower than the previous one, totally normal. Once you're logged in, click Create Image and upload your first Meta AI picture. Grok will instantly produce some random animation. Ignore that it doesn't matter. Now paste your first animation prompt. This gives you a clean 6-second clip that matches the story. But here's a big warning.
Okay.
Grok sometimes adds random background music. To block that, simply include no background music. Super important if you're editing later. Now comes the fun part, chaining your clips so the story flows smoothly. Here's how to do it. Pause the clip you just generated. Drag the timeline to the final frame. Right-click Copy Video Frame. Go back to the Imagine tab. Paste the frame. Enter your
Okay.
second animation
Where the
prompt.
hell am I?
Click Make Video. And just like that, clip
Someone
hash
was
2
definitely
continues
here.
from clip hash shown without any
Recently.
weird jump. Repeat the same thing for clip 3 and clip 4. But here are some limitations you absolutely need to know. Reusing the final frame too many times can reduce quality. You might hit moderation flags. Some generations fail randomly. And yes, failed attempts still count toward your daily limit. So chain your clips wisely. At this point, the clips look good, but they're still not in full HD. Here's a trick most beginners miss. There's a hidden HD upscale button. Just click the video gallery. Pick your clip. Tap the three-dot menu. Choose Upscale. No watermark. Sharper details. Cleaner animation. Do this for all your clips before editing. Once I repeated the workflow for all 4 main images, I ended up with 16 video clips, totaling around 1 minute and 16 seconds. I dropped everything into my editor, arranged them in order, and suddenly the whole story came alive.
Okay. Where the hell am I? Someone was definitely here. Recently. Hi. I didn't mean to intrude. I just got lost.
Can you hear me? Why isn't anyone speaking? Leave before night remembers you.
This place feels alive. Not that God. These symbols, are they warnings? Okay, that's definitely not good. So this is what they were protecting. Please, just show me the truth. God. They're stuck. The whole village is stuck. I can free them. I have to.
If you want more AI workflows, faceless video tutorials, or simple automation systems, you can start using today. Drop a comment and let me know what you want next. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, and leave a comment so I know what to build for you next.